This is the summary of Projection Stenciling by Linda Buckingham, Leslie Bird. You will be inspired and thrilled by the images you can create using projection stenciling. This new technique, created by Linda Buckingham and Leslie Bird, overcomes the design limitations and expense that, unfortunately, can exist with traditional stenciling methods. Now you can turn almost any image into a design of any size, to be stenciled onto virtually any surface. Want to turn a photo of your dog into a stencil, animate your child's room with a one-of-a-kind mural, or create etched glass mirrors and inlaid wood tabletops? You can do all this, easily and economically, with projection stenciling as your guide. More complex projects used to cost hundreds, even thousands, of dollars using commercial stencils and were limiting in terms of the time required and designs available. Now your tool chest can be as simple as a roll of freezer paper, a felt pen, access to a photocopier and some basic stenciling supplies. Light projectors, easy to rent and surprisingly inexpensive to buy, make this technique even easier. Inside this beautiful, full-color book, you will find the tools and techniques of projection stenciling, step-by-step instructions for over 40 projects and the inspiration to embark on your own designs, all guided by the lively banter of the authors, Linda and Leslie. Beginning and experienced crafters alike can realize transformations of personal space and household belongings within just a few hours. With projection stenciling, your imagination is the only limit. For more hobbies and home book reviews visit www.homebookmix.com.